guys, so it's day 5 in Seoul and I'm down with a really bad cold and I'm starting to have some coughing. And yeah, there's a husband. It's 12, maybe 1 plus in the afternoon now, but we are just heading out because we were like resting the whole morning in the apartment. Yeah, see you. So we got some cold medication from the pharmacy and we are walking aimlessly in the streets now. It's not too cold today. It's 14 degrees Celsius, but it's quite windy. Guys, we are getting the 32 centimeters long ice cream in matcha and vanilla flavor. Thank you. Oh, it's so long. We are getting tteokbokki. Guys, this is Gold's fried chicken and Korean beer. Exactly like the Korean dramas. At this time, I think all the food street is up. Like all the street food.
Deep fried ice cream.
Oh, deep fried ice cream. Lots of street snacks. This cafe looks like a pretty decent place to chill. Yeah, we have 1 hour more to our Cookin Nanta show. So we'll be chilling here for approximately an hour. So right now we are chilling at the Angel and Us Café. And this is my purple sweet potato latte, followed by brownie with vanilla ice cream. It's quite a cool place to chill. Hey guys, we are at the Nanta Theatre now. We are going to watch the Cookin Nanta show. Sweet biscuit from this store. It looks like tapioca pastry though. So this is like the Korean version of goreng pisang, fried banana.
But there are different toppings.
With different toppings. Pomegranate juice from this store. This is the pomegranate juice we got from the store. It's 5,000 won. So expensive. Hey guys, I'm getting the mixed cheese ball and potato ball. More chili, please.
No more.
No more chili.
That's it.
And mustard.
Train seats available so far today. It's really big protest. No buses.
Now you can take picture with the soldier here and there, but while you're taking picture, you cannot touch them. If you touch them, they move, getting angry. They are real, not the fake ones. So it's okay to take picture, but you have to to keep some the space that you have to stay away from that. Don't touch them. And it's okay to take picture the soldier in north side. They are still South Korean soldier. Yeah. We're not gonna have a lot of time. Take picture first.
지샌 밤에도 종일 웃는 그런 날에도.
So this is our lunch. We'll be having bulgogi.
표정으로 날 반겨주기만 했던 낡은 내 바이올린 가끔씩은 잊기도 하고 때론 싫어 미워했지만 이제는 놓칠 수 없는 내 소중한 그리움들을 함께해요. 하루하루 다른 벅찬 꿈들을 쫓긴 이리저리 마냥 흔들리듯 살아가도 사랑은 선율을 타고 날아와 마법처럼.
To the Tank Nature Cafe. It's hidden in a corner at the basement. We had a hard time finding it. Like we spent an hour finding it. So we are glad to have found it. It has like waffle ice cream and bingsu. Yeah, so there we go.
이끌 것 같아. Oh, day by day, day by day 늘 바라던 꿈과 같은 사랑으로 채워놓을게. 빛처럼 포근하게 내 마음을 감싸줘요. 항상 좋은 일만 생각해.
So this is the quadro waffle. Full of whipped cream. Hope it tastes good. The bingsu is just so-so because the ice didn't find enough. I think we had better ones in Singapore.
생각해요.
So cute. We have a nice set of tea. So fluffy. We are going into the Studio Ghibli collection. Protest is here in Myeongdong.
Going home, I'm going home. Quiet like some still day.